basic necessity. If at this instant the total kinetic energy is equal to their potential, here, how much kinetic energy of system, that is what the electrostatic interaction potential it is. How the path of particle will be. First of all, we should try to predict the path. So you resolve these velocities now. V naught x. Let me resolve the velocities. V naught x, and this will be V naught y. I'll take it out this. So these are the at initial position. Let me show that components. So because of the electrostatic force, and as they are identical, no. So what is the displacement of this charge particle along x? The same displacement this particle also will have along negative x-axis. How much the left particle will have displacement along y-axis? The same thing will occur for even the second particle also. So let me give number 192. So how the resultant path should be? This V naught y will remain same, no? Because how the electrostatic force at all positions will be acting horizontally. So therefore the path of the particle will be like this. So when they come to certain position, both will have same y displacement. Since they are identical, no? So both will have same displacement. So here Vy, let this be. What will happen to x component? X component will be 0 when they're the closest. What is x minimum? X minimum is closest approach. I think if you can get this diagram, the rest all mathematics you can manage. So see now, look at here. You can ask, sir, like what will happen to that x component? The distance or the position at which where the initial x component of x component velocity becomes 0, then only they'll be closest. No, very next moment what will happen? They will deviate away. They will deviate away. So then only you can call this is closest, no? So look at all. So this is the x minimum is what I'm taking the minimum one. Okay, we have to, this x minimum has to be determined. So what shall I do now? Shall we apply conservation of, can we calculate that Vy? And since this is 45 degrees, no? Okay, let's not indicate. Okay, is it, I'll gather all the data which is available. Is it okay, no? As that angle is 45 degrees, so V naught y is equal to V naught x. This is one thing. Can we apply next any other equations? What happened to Vy? How to get that Vy? Is it Vy equal to V naught y? Yes, it should be, no? Any reason for this? How the electrostatic force will act at all the positions, If you want to take one more intermediate diagram here also. The electrostatic force will be acting in this direction. And the particles will have velocity in this direction. Vy dash, Vx dash. Fine. So what should happen to vertical component? Should remain same. So I'll write Vy equal to V naught y. Can you apply conservation of mechanical energy? Yes. Applying conservation of mechanical energy. So initial electrostatic potential energy, Kq square S plus kinetic energy, 2 into m V naught x whole square plus m V naught y whole square is equal to finally Kq square x minimum interaction potential energy plus 2 into m vy square. What will happen to vx square? No horizontal component. At closest approach, the horizontal component of velocity will be 0. Very next moment, the particle will have, it's going to have velocity. Is that okay diagram? So why you are showing v2x? I think I gave complete explanation for the problem. You can see from here. V2x, why V2x? Because the electrostatic force will accelerate, will act in such a way that now its x component keeps on increases, no? And still V2y is equal to V1y equal to Vy equal to V0y. Okay, now what is our thing? X minimum has to be determined. So how to bring that all? So it's one more information we have. Total kinetic energy is equal to their potential energy, total kinetic energy. So this quantity should be equal to and we know V naught y equal to Vx. No? So substituting that, then directly you better write, no need to work out anything. So kqx square you substitute here. And what is Vy? Vy you can write V naught y. So here I'll bring V naught x equal to V naught y, substituting that, we'll get this much. So what is value of V naught y? Because here is needed, no? Vy, for substitution of Vy is needed. So V naught y, yeah, directly you can write it. So this you substitute here. You'll get Vy value and the bracket term, you can write kq square by s only, and you can solve it. 40 centimeter answer.
Sir, can you repeat why you took the second equation, sir?
Second, this one, huh? This one you mean to say. Okay, I'll do one thing. Give a number.
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Second one, sir.
This two, huh?
Yes, sir.
It is data given, no? Their total kinetic energy is equal to their potential energy.
Okay, sir.
I'll give the link for this. Okay, fine, no? I'll share it. These questions are there in Pathfinder. Very good logical problem. No much very big. Not all questions are again suitable. Especially for charge, motion of charge by electric field, no? Somewhere almost around 16 questions are there. Really very good. It's mixing with all different ideas. Your answer will be 40. Check the calculations. Say path is very important. Without making guess of path, no, I don't think so. You'll be in any comfortable position to write this equation. So give priority for drawing diagram. The path of a charge particle.